Rub your eyes and look again. It's the super rare Munipals MTA subway R32 Z Train, which was made back in 2017. Well, as you can see, time goes on and so do the paint. It's been extensively used, so I'm not surprised about it. In fact, there are many places that needs to be fixed. So can we do it? Yes, we can. We're going to use the Pentel paint markers to bring it back to its former glory. So give me a moment and let me show you. So after some nice paint touch-ups, I'm more than happy to show you the refurbished R32 Z Train. So notice the corner that has a bit of a wood exposed. Now with the paint markers, it looks way better. The other side, of course, also now looks coherent. And while we're painting on the other side of the front, which is the one that you saw, I have used the Unipoker marker to mark back up the doors and of course the window sill. This one, on the other hand, the plate for the carriage plate number, that one has to be dealt with. I obviously had to go to the stationery shop to get another marker that has a darker silver on it or darker gray on it, so I can put it back on. But otherwise, it's all good now. The top, of course, gently fixed as well. So do the sides, and so the front as well. It's all nicely done with silver. So even these bits are now being touched up with silver, so they should look perfect well, and they should operate fantastic as well. So if you're thinking of doing this yourselves, I have one important advice. Please don't. All right, and I say do not squeeze the tip of the pen onto the hard surface, because when you do that, all the paint spills out, and when that happens, no one can save you. Okay, and most importantly, be very light touches. And of course, you can also buy some different points of the pen as well, so you can have some precise pinpoint, or you can have a bigger brush. So it depends on what you need and how you need to touch it up on the paint. You decide what you need to do with it, but be very careful so you don't spill the paint everywhere. And once you spill the paint everywhere, that's it for you, because you can't really fix it, and there's not much you can do if you spill things everywhere. So what do you think of the touch-ups? Do you think it's a good way of fixing up the old and beaten up Munipals MTA subway trains or even buses? Leave your comments below and share your thoughts. Sunday at 10 AM, I'll release the real 6 train subway action at Parkchester. See you at the platform.
Click here to watch the full episode now.